Hello, this is Sally Ann. I've been working on a couple of projects and I'll probably need to show you a couple of videos to do this. But in the first instance, let me show you what I mean. The first project I've been working on is this lovely little birdhouse, which you can see here, and I'll take some photographs maybe or add a little bit more detail in another video, but it just gives you a vague idea, because the reason I wanted to do this is that you can't really see the little umbrella. Isn't that cute? That's just so adorable. The little umbrella, if I hold it out flat for you. So I'm doing this first shot just to give you an overview of this little birdhouse. And the key thing here is that the roof lifts up. Oh, that would be the wrong side, wouldn't it? Let me just turn it around this way. So you lift the roof, and inside is, oh, bear with me just a moment, a little fight here with the house, doesn't want to relinquish its prize, is this photo album, which then sits inside, and in it each page enables you to put sentiments or photographs or something like that. Oops, it's a bit awkward. But you can put a big photograph here. You can do little ones on the front or back of each of these tabs. And then there's a pull-out. Oh, I didn't show you the pull-out from the previous one. There's a pull-out here, so I can take a nice photograph in there or a photograph in the back, and that just slots into the little tag. Of course, we're on camera, so it's playing up. No, it goes back. There we go. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll show you more information about the album in a bit more detail, a bit of static. But the little birdhouse, I thought would be nice for you to see, with a little swingy umbrella on the front there. Just in a bit more, let me just pop that down, a bit more detail. So when I've got the camera repositioned, I'll show it to you in a bit more detail. Okay, so see you in a bit. Bye.